Welcome back, everyone. It has a big wick in Delhi. 4 hour also looks bearish. This is a strong candle. 1 hour is also bearish. It will create a fair value gap. We have a 15-minute order block. We have a 15-minute fair value gap. So it is bearish for the day. I don't like the big tail it has for the daily candle. In 15 minutes, there is no retracement so far. This is not a big retracement. I expect it to retrace at least 50% of the trend and continue, but so far it hasn't retraced. So if I will look for sells, I will go half quantity, and I need this 15-minute fair value gap or order block, anything. Usually I would not prefer to trade GBP, so we will try to avoid, because the retracement can cause SL, and so far we are down 2%. I did record a video yesterday, but it was in two parts, so I don't want to edit that and post. So let's leave it there. I will show you my PNL and you can see what happened. I stopped recording in the middle, and then I had to record again, and I don't know how to just merge both of them. It's a bit of a hassle, so fine. It is bearish, but I don't like the big tail it has. If there was a news, then I can neglect the fact that it has a big tail, but nothing much. So I don't like the big tail it has, but let's see. I would not prefer to trade both of them. In 4 hour it looks good. It is bearish. Technically it's in the 4 hour order block. Same as same as GBP. I would not trade the 15-minute fair value gap. It has to come at least in 1 hour fair value gap, otherwise there is no point. Same in euro. I will at least wait for 1 hour fair value gap, otherwise we won't trade GBP or euro. And after the 1H fair value gap, and 3-minute breakout structure, which is not likely to happen, but we have other three pairs. This is also the same, but so far it hasn't been below its opening price. It has a very small wick, so it is bullish. It was bullish while it was over here, but after this much big of a retracement, let's see if there is a potential to continue. Yes, there is. It is in the very good fair value gap, 4 hour. In 1 hour it will create a IFEG. So the trend is bullish. It's not looking good. Overall trend is bullish. The current leg is bearish. So Yeah, in 15 minutes after the displacement, it is around that level for 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So it's like a reverse pole and flag, you can say. This fall, then sideways, and then it can continue. And that's what we will trade. Downside AUD. What we need is 5-minute breakout structure. It has already given a breakout structure. Let me mark this level. We need a breakout structure of this level in 5 minutes. It is in 5-minute order block, but so far it's in the range, no breakout breakdowns. So AUD simple 5-minute breakout structure, and we will see 2/3 quantity maybe. All the pairs have the same big tail for the day, so it is a low probability day. It is in the IFVG 4 hour. But 1 hour is, the displacement is good. That's the problem. Same in JPY, we need 1 hour retest at least for, because this one is a good because the 1 hour FEG is also the 1 hour order block. That is a good thing. So JPY 1H FEG plus 1 or 3-minute breakout structure. The zone is good, so I can trade in 1 minute. Gold, give me something. Same, it is bullish. It held for 1 day, then it continued. Now it can still continue. There is a big tail, so it can come around its opening price. 4 hour it's bearish, gave a breakout structure, it's inside 4 hour FEG. There will be a FEG in 1 hour, I am sure, like every other pair. Same over here also. We have a fair value gap for the upside. So we will do the same, the market sentiment will follow the sentiment, and 1 hour FVG. I still have a lot of time. 1 hour FVG and 1 minute or 3-minute breakout structure. So this is the plan. uh, let's see, money management, how, what quantity I would prefer. So in GBP the overall trend is bullish, so I will go 2/3 quantity, roughly around $17-18, 18-19. And in, okay, so euro is partially bearish, so full quantity in euro around $22 maybe, because it's not that perfect. And AUD, this will also create a fair value gap, and but the overall trend is bullish in this also. This is a very bullish trend. It will come in the fair value gap, but I need a 5-minute breakout structure, so we already have a confirmation. But still, we will go to third quantity. And in JPY, we will go full quantity in JPY, and gold also full quantity. So only GBP and AUD we will go 2/3, and other all pairs we will go full quantity. This is gonna be one take video, but I can edit in the YouTube studio. Okay, so market is about to open, and we will get a trade in JPY if it gives a breakout structure. Gold, there is still a big room for it to cover. AUD, I would not prefer to trade AUD. The displacement is really good in the last minute for the upside. AUD just tapped in the fair value gap, but the retracement, I am not sure. I need at least a 3-minute breakout structure. If gold sweeps at these lows, then something can happen. We need a 3-minute breakout structure, and if a very good 1-minute breakout structure, then I can enter in 1 minute. Otherwise I'll wait for 3 minutes. Gold, the problem with gold is it doesn't give retracement and it moves. This is a good candle. It can be a trendy for gold, but we need our retracement, otherwise it's a very low probability. It's not bad. 5 minute looks good. It was in this zone. Now it's giving a breakout. I can trade gold, maybe with half quantity. At least a 3-minute candle. If it closes, then it is gonna close. Let's go half quantity in gold. JPY is looking good. The 1-minute displacement is a good manipulation, and 1-minute breakout we can enter with 2/3 quantity because our original plan was 3-minute breakout structure. It is inside a 3-minute order block. So 1-minute breakout structure, then I can go 2/3 quantity around $18-19. Euro is in the zone and we need a 3-minute breakout structure. Same. Okay, so GBP isn't in the zone. It is almost a full quantity. There was no middle ground, so fine. The gold is looking good. The retracement, the candles, I like the candles it is making in 3 minutes. In euro, I've already taken entry in 1 minute. Euro is also looking good in 1 minute, but let's wait. Okay, I should enter in euro. The market is looking good. Okay. Okay, so we have done all the three trades. I think it's not the best thing because as per plans, I have been a little hasty. It has hardly been 5 minutes since the market opened and we have taken all the three trades. But fine, I can see the momentum in our favor. That's why like uh, I like the reaction in JPY and gold. So this can be a very good lesson to not. Let's see. So let me open three charts instead of two, so we can monitor every one of them. I checked my account. In this account, we have a lot of losing streak. Only few are winning, but still we have only down 2%. The risk management is taking care of the points. We are done with the trades. Let's see what happens. I'm not exactly proud of what is going so far, but let's see. So GPY, Euro, Gold. This is also a good candle. Nice. It can go for the Asia highs, but that's not our target. I don't like this displacement. I hope it. Okay, so nice. The displacement in 3 minutes is also not bad. Maybe I should have not gone with the full quantity in Euro, but let's see. Let me show you my trades. These are our open positions. So M2M is good. Only gold hasn't moved yet, but JPY and Euro are moving. Uh, Gold should eventually catch up as per the trend of the market. You can see the balance is 885. We lost around $40 yesterday, maybe. You can see the losing streak history. You can so many losses. Only 1, 2, 3 wins so far. 4 3 4 wins, and the losing streak is so much. I was also a little surprised that only 4 winning streak and this many losing streaks. Still, we are only down 2%. And one of the reason is the wins are big. $80 over here. 1:3, 1:3, 1:3, and this one was 1:1, and that's why we are only down 2%. All the three are looking good. If all three hits TP, that will be a new record for one session. Let's see what happens. If I reach break even, that would be nice. So because in the new account I have been in drawdown so far. Yesterday was a New York session. I got swept in AUD. Otherwise, I would have been around break even. But fine. I'll edit the video and let's get to the result. Otherwise, video will be too long. So we got stopped out in euro, and gold is still running. JPY, I have increased the target to 1:4 because this is a very good candle. It can take the Asia highs in a swoop, and actually I would prefer to target these highs, but for convenience this is good enough. 1:4, and you can see the trades. So I also added one quantity, the second half quantity in gold when it gave a 3-minute breakout structure. Target is same, 1:3. So if gold hit TP, then we'll make $75. And JPY we are targeting 1:4. And here is the trade history so far. This is the losing streak. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 wins. And this one euro. Okay, so euro must have given a spike. We lost $33 in euro. And it's getting late, so I'm ending the stream. You can see the profit and loss in the description, and thank you for watching.